Hello everyone, today I am at a automotive car event where manufacturers bring down their new cars for people like us to test drive, and today I will be test driving the new 2021 Mini Cooper S Convertible. So let's do a little walk around this car, and this is now the facelifted car, so you get a new front bumper design, so no more fog lights. If we go around the side, obviously it's got the iconic, well, the classic mini shape that's been going on for so long. God knows how many years now, 20 odd years the shape is going on for. If we move around the backside, oh, this has got the JCW kit on it, so JCW alloy wheels, fully blacked out. Coming around the back, love this dual exit exhaust with the fog light just above it, proper like a Formula 1 car. You've got Cooper S badges all round, all blacked out, and of course the tail lights with the Union Jack. Oh, you'll love this, the roof is actually a Union Jack as well. Now the fuel filler cap, I thought it was going to be metallic, but it's not. It's a plastic piece. It does look quite cool, but yeah, just a really cool design, and it's, I'd say, a timeless Mini Cooper design. Well, it's going to go on for ages anyway. I will be reviewing a Mini Clubman in the next few weeks, and I can't wait to compare that car to this. So let's jump into the interior anyway, enough waffle. So as for the interior, since this is a convertible, roof off, it feels amazing. First thing I noticed, it's so low to the ground, really low ride height, well, seating position, head-up display that pops up when you turn the car on. Annoying, actually. I don't like that because sometimes it's not in your field of view and becomes pointless at times. Now, some of the toggles and switches down here, nice metallic touch to them. I do love the fact that Mini has kept this same interior design style for ages. It's been going on since the R53, yeah, since R56 even, and yeah, I don't think it'll age. These seats are fantastic. They are John Cooper Works seats, as you can see, and bloody hell, they hug you well. As for the infotainment system, 8-inch screen or 9, I'm not too sure, but sat nav is okay. It's not the best, given the fact it's within a circle. It's not going to be a big screen, and yeah, Mini need to work around that, because I'd say you can't really put a bigger screen in there, and so the reversing camera does kind of lack in that sense, as you just want to look at the reversing camera a little bit more. You need that extra bit of width and length, but you can't. Anyway, this is a cool little thing in the Mini Cooper, well, in all Mini Coopers, is the ambient lighting circle. As if you mess around with the climate controls, it actually turns blue or red. I'm not too sure why it's not working. Let's turn the car on. There we go, that is super cool. Yeah, so when you want it hot, it turns red, and I love the fact that Mini do that. Let's turn that off anyway. I think it's time I stop waffling. I don't have that long with this car, so I better get on a test drive, and it will be point of view for you guys to enjoy. But yeah, let's hit the road. Enough waffle. Right people, now let's go for a drive in the Mini Cooper S Convertible, and first impressions, this is mental. Now I hope you could hear me through the wind, but bloody hell, this car is crazy. 178 brake horsepower, 280 newton meters of torque, crazy 0 to 60 miles per hour. I don't know how fast it is, but it is quick, and oh my god, this is mental. This is like a proper, this isn't even the JCW, this is just the Cooper S. There are some negatives, right? Even though I do love this car, there are some negatives. For example, this screen in front of me, this little digital dash here, is not that clear, and when the sun shines on it, I can't see anything. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here for the sound. Coming from a Honda Civic that sounds like a Dyson, we've got to whack it into sport mode. Manual gears, am I right? Oh God, I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's hear this. Let's hear this. Are you ready, guys? Ready for a pull? Oh, yeah, hell yeah. Jesus. Now I hope you can hear me through the wind, but bloody hell, this is mental. Jesus Christ. Downshift. Downshift. Right, let's turn around, pull another, do another pull. Hopefully you guys could hear the sound from the GoPro camera. Come on, there's a truck coming, we gotta go. Now the head-up display is not the best. I can't see much out of that when my head's back. Woohoo! It's a bit dicey. It's a bit dicey. God, it climbs the revs well. Well, not that well, but you know, the sound is incredible. It doesn't have that much power, guys. It does not have that much power. It just sounds bloody incredible. How have BMW done this, or BMW Mini? Take a listen to that. Oh, downshift. Oh God, yeah. Oh, this is probably the loudest car I've ever driven. It's like a mini sports car. You get it? How on earth? Oh God, I wish it was the manual, but it's not. Right. Oh, it sounds good. It sounds so throaty, like it wants to go. It's got, you don't notice the speed. You don't notice the speed at all. And there are also rear seats in this car. Who on earth are going to use these rear seats? I have no idea, because they're bloody tiny and you can't fit anything in the back of them. Probably a very small leg. Right, oh, drive modes, of course. We're in mid, we need to go in sport. Right, let's turn around here actually. Right, drive modes, we've gone into sport mode and the dials have gone red. The dials have gone red. Does it allow more wheeshing or whooshing through the exhaust? I have no idea, but lane keep assist, get off. Lane keep assist interfering there. Please turn. No, lane keep assist. No, that's not what I want. No, cancel, cancel, get out of there.
Hi there, it's Armageddon from the future, and I thought I'd mention a cool little feature which I clearly missed. If you look closely at the ring light around the infotainment system, you can see the white light matches my revs every time I accelerate or decelerate, and at the bottom right, you can see the red line. How cool is that?
Now, the steering has gone a little bit stiffer in sports mode. Throttle response, a little bit more active. But yeah, crazy car, crazy car. Traction control buttons right there. The toggles as well, the metallic toggles, they are fantastic. Great to touch. Oh yes. Harman Kardon sound system. Oh, well, we can't put the music, but anyway. I don't know if I'd buy it though for whatever it is, £35,000. It's a lot of money. How much is this car? As shown, £27,000. It's got the Comfort Plus back. Now I believe, now you can get 3 different Cooper S's. You've got a Classic, Sport and the Exclusive. I believe this is the Sport one with the John Cooper Works stuff on it. Right, thank you guys for watching that video. That was a little short video, but what can I do? I hope you did enjoy. I'm sorry it's not long enough. It's only an impressions video. I will do a full review on this when I do get the chance. But thank you guys for watching. Peace.